Hello, everyone. It's Pensioner Paul here again, your English language teacher online. Well, I decided to make another video just for you. Oh, I've got a bit of a cough. I've been out this morning in Benidorm. It's so good here. I love Benidorm. What a nice place it is. Today, I thought, as I'm in Benidorm, what I would do is talk about restaurant English. So, today we're going to look at planning and arrival. That's the first part. So you have to imagine that there's someone here, but it's only me, all on my Todd, as we say in England, all on my Jack Jones. Yeah, planning and arrival. Or unless you've been there before and asked to book a table, but you could. Most people book over the phone, don't they? So let's imagine we're booking over the phone. Where is my phone? Oh, here it is. So you could say something like, "Oh, hello, I'd like to book a table for two at 7 p.m." Okay. Look, I know I said I'm alone. I might not be alone when I go to the restaurant. You see? Um, then you arrive at the restaurant and you say something like, "Hello there. We have a reservation under my name. My name is Pensioner Paul." Uh, Another thing you might say when you arrive at the restaurant, you might say something like, table for two, please. Another thing you might say could be, could we sit by the window? Um, Another thing you might say is, do you have outdoor seating? You know, you want to sit outside of the actual restaurants. So now we're going to move on to ordering the food in polite English, because we do like to be polite in England. We are very polite people. So we might say something like, I'd like a burger, please. Or, could I have the pasta? All about this. May I have the soup? But you don't want to be too direct. You don't want to say something like, I want a burger. Oh my goodness, that is far too direct. We're a bit less direct. So we try to say things, I'd like to have a burger. Could I have a burger, please? Something like that. Then you might have different customizations. It doesn't usually work in some of the popular fast food restaurants because they have set menus. But at other restaurants, you can actually ask for different things to go with the particular meal. So you could say, yeah, I'd like a burger, please, but no onions. No onions, please. Thanks. I'd like a burger, please. Oh, without cheese. Yeah, no cheese, thanks. Or you might even say something like, could I have a salad instead of fries? Would that be okay? Yeah, thanks. Or can I get the dressing on the side? Which means, like salad dressing as a side dish, something like that. A little extra, if you like. Now, I don't know about you, but I do have an allergy to gluten. I can't consume gluten, makes me violently ill. People need certain needs if they have allergies to something. So you might say to the waiter or the waitress, or as is more common nowadays, the server. You might personally, because I've got a gluten allergy, I will always ask them, is it gluten free? And they will always say to me, oh, I don't know. I'm not sure. And then you go to another restaurant and they say, all of our bread is gluten free. And I think, oh, well, the bread's all right. Are you sure the bread's gluten free? They say, absolutely. It's all gluten free. All of our products. And usually they'll be labeled and they'll have something on the menu to tell you what's gluten free and what isn't. Um, then, of course, it's never a good idea to make complaints in a restaurant. The one thing I never do is I never complain in the restaurant. I think it's a bad move. But sometimes it is necessary. You might have ordered a steak and it's not very hot. And you could say, "Excuse me, I'm sorry, but my steak is cold. Could you heat it up, please?" I mean, that's not bad. They'll say, "Yeah, sure, that's okay." But if you're going to make a complaint in a restaurant, be polite, state the problem, and ask for a solution. That's my only advice on that one. And there's a certain etiquette, you know, there's a certain way of doing things when you're in the restaurant. You make eye contact with the server, or you raise your hand. That's me. That's what I do. I do that, and it usually works. Never ever snap your fingers like, "Hey, hey!" Don't do that. Never do that. Oh dear me. The server might have had a bad day already. They might be ready to snap themselves. And as they're working with knives and things, be careful with that one. So it's always best to say, hi, excuse me. Yeah. Could I have the bill, please? Yeah, thanks. Be polite. Always wait your turn. Don't try to push in front of people. Don't try to make a scene. Don't think the world revolves around you because it doesn't. I've seen people like this in restaurants. Some people are so impatient. It doesn't get them anywhere. It has the reverse effect. And always, especially in England, always say please and thank you. Could I have the menu, please? Oh, thank you. Are you ready to order? Oh, yes. Or could you give me a moment, please? I just want to go through. Thank you so much. Be polite. Manners cost nothing. Just be polite. Um, let's have a bit of practice here now. Speaking practice. The only thing is, there's only me here. So I'll tell you what I'll do. I've got a baseball cap. I'll put that on for the other person. Let's see how that goes. Right. So first of all, it'll be the waiter. So I'll be the waiter. Are you ready to order? Yes, we are ready. Are we? John, are you ready, John? Yeah. Okay, we're ready to order. Yes. You might make a polite request, and you might make one customization. You might say something like, "Oh, I'd like a burger, please, and could I have it without cheese? Thank you." Certainly, sir. Right, we'll do the waiter again. We'll try again. Try again. I'll try a bit different. Okay, sir. What would you like to drink? I'll have. Well, actually, all I would like is a white coffee, please. If that's okay. Certainly, sir. Anything else? Well, I tell you what. Do you have any croissants? I just fancy a croissant. Yes, sir. Oh, I forgot. Yes, sir. We can do that for you. Thank you very much. Thank you. So that's kind of how you get the idea, don't you? Anyway, that's all from me. Pensioner Paul, uh, doing restaurant English. I hope you got something from that. I did. Baseball cap. Thanks a lot, people. Bye.